I just found a YouTube channel that's making over $120,000 every month.
Wait, seriously? From what kind of video?
That's the crazy part. They are all made with AI. No filming, no editing, just full on automation.
You mean AI actually makes the whole entire video?
Exactly. Channel like these are pulling millions of views. I saw one of them hit 2 million views in 1 week.
These are all long-form videos that we're talking about, and they are money machines if they go viral.
Demand for AI agent and automation is exploding right now. And the best part, anyone can do it because there is no coding needed. Building systems like these is the most valuable skill in 2025 and 2026.
Stick with us because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to ride the next big wave of AI. You better like and subscribe if you watched this far. Got it?
And if you guys want the file, please comment on the video. We will share the file with you. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Alright, so let's get started. This is the channel we are talking about. This channel got 2.2 million views in last 7 days on this video. There are other channels like this one which got 3.9 million views in just 1 month, and they have 315k subscribers. Similarly, this channel got 400,000 subscribers, and their most popular video got 10 million views. So this setup is made from the inspiration taken from these channels. And
This is the dream setup for a K-pop Demon Hunter fan.
K-pop Demon Hunters are going really popular right now. We are not actually copying them, but we are taking inspiration from those characters. The setup is divided into 4 parts. We are generating ideas, then we are generating images, and then generating videos, and in the end we are combining all the videos together to create
Yes.
the final YouTube video. So let's get started.
Yeah.
This is our first node. It's called schedule trigger. So this node basically is a trigger. That means how often you want to run this setup.
Yes.
So let's execute this node and then go to the next node. The second node is called get rows in sheet. This node is basically reading a Google sheet. So first define the Google sheet which we want to read, and then we will work on this. So this is the Google sheet which we are going to use. Let's make a new row. So step 1 is
We're making video
3. Alright, the next step is make the status to create. Let's make 3 scenes. The main characters of Demon Hunters are Rumi, Mira and Jinu. We made these 3 reference images. One is Rumi, second one is Mira, the third one is Jinu. And then we are passing this
reference tag.
for reference text. What I did is I just went to this channel, opened the video, and then I went to the
Transcript?
I went to the transcript and just copy pasted the entire transcript and paste it here in this reference text block. Just because we are making it for YouTube, the aspect ratio should be
16:9.
yeah, 6. So now we are done with our Google Sheets setup. So we are back in N10. So let's go inside the Google Sheets node. So first thing we are doing is we are passing our Google Sheet credentials, which is basically like sign in into the Google's account. Okay, so you can read your sheet and you can read the columns which you want. Let's execute this step. So what happened is all the data which we passed in our sheet is now in N10. So now we got the data in the N10. What we want to do next is to generate our prompts. The next node is AI agent. Alright, what this node does is it will give us image and video prompts. So let's dive in and see what exactly is happening here. This is the data from our previous node. Now we're gonna execute some instruction here and then we will get the output here. First step is how you wanna define the prompt based on this user message. I'm saying make a video with the number of the scenes which I defined in my Google Sheet. I'm also passing all my reference images and the reference text. Step 2 is we have to write a system message. It will act like a training data. We are training our AI agent to work as the story writer for K-pop Demon Hunter style video. Create a vlog scene style K-pop Demon Hunter vlog using these images. Okay, so now execute. This is what we got. One big table with one row and all the scenes inside this. So let's go to the next row. Split out. So double click on this node and see what's happening here. We are splitting out outputs here. If you notice here, these are the 3 outputs from our AI agent. When we execute this node, so now you notice that our table consists of 3 rows. Let's create images.
Yes.
So for creating images, the node we need is called create images. It's basically a HTTP request node. What we are doing here is we are just passing our Kie AI credentials. Kie AI is API aggregator. So here you have lot of models available to work with. And the beauty of Kie AI is you just add some balance here and then you can use it to run all the APIs which you want. Let's go and see what else we have to pass. So we are using the JSON method to pass the expression to Kie AI. So here we are defining what model we are going to use and we are giving our image prompt and the images which we want to pass to Nano Banana. So basically Nano Banana is going to create our images through Kie AI and bring it back in our N10 setup. So let's execute this step. So once we execute this step, we will get this message that our submission is successful. So now we have to wait some time for the images to be made. So that's why I added this node called wait. Double click on this node. So in the wait node, what we do is we wanna add some value like the amount of time the image needs to be generated. After the wait, the next node is called get images. Basically now we are getting the images back from Kie AI. So let's double click and see what we had done here. We are again giving our credentials. One thing which we are passing here is called task ID. So basically we dragged this to here. So let's run this node. So what we got here is a lot of data, okay, for all the 3 images, but we just want the image URL. So that's what we're gonna do in the next node. Okay, the next node is called image URL. In image URL, we are basically using this small expression. So let's execute this node. So we got our URL in a clean table, okay, for the next node to work. And the next node is set inputs. Let's click inside and see what exactly is going on here. First, what we are doing, manual mapping. That means we are manually setting up this node. First step, what we did is we passed our video prompt here. You remember aspect ratio?
Yeah, that was from get rows and sheet.
Yeah, the third one is called image variable, which is the image we generated in
create image.
Yeah, so we passed that. So we are passing all this information to the next node. All right, so let's click on this. So now our create images section is done. So let's go to the next node,
create video.
It's also a HTTPS request node. We are using here is VO 3.1 model in Kie AI. First step, what we have to do is to pass our credentials to Kie AI. After that, we will pass a prompt. We are basically connecting this last node data into a prompt and passing it to Kie AI again for generating the VO 3.1 video. So let's execute this node and we again got the success. That means all our jobs are sent to Kie AI for running. For this to happen, we again need some time. So we added another wait node. So
now we wait 100 years later.
Alright, so our videos are generated. So let's click on get video node. We are basically getting the videos back from Kie AI. So again, the method is called get because we are getting the video and we are again using the credentials and we are passing the task ID. So the task ID is coming from the last node here. Yeah, so let's execute this node. Alright, so we got our video back. Again, they come in a big table with lot of other data. We're going to use the return node. Okay, it's a edit fields node and this is a small expression which we are using and getting the videos from those long data. So let's run this node. So these are our final videos generated. These are the 3 videos. We want one file for YouTube video. Yeah, so we have to combine all of them. So now finally we are in the next step called combine videos. Let's go inside the first node. Okay, so we are using aggregate node here and the method we want to aggregate is using this input field which is named VO video result. So let's execute this guy. Last time we separated it into multiple rows. Now we combined everything into one row. We want to pass all this data to our next node. Okay,
Yeah.
the next node is called combine videos. Let's click inside and see what exactly is happening here. Combine node is a HTTPS request.
Yeah.
So the method we are going to use is post, and here we are using another tool called
Fal AI.
Fal AI. Why we are using Fal AI? Because we don't have FFmpeg API which we are using to combine these videos together in Kie AI. So this is the Fal AI and this is the FFmpeg API we are going to use. Okay, so for using this we added this credentials and the URL, and again we are passing a JSON prompt which looks like this. What this prompt is doing, it's basically a command which we are passing to Fal AI. Let's execute this node.
Yes.
And you know what you see here is in queue. So let's add a wait node here. Again, I kept it to quite minimum right now for the setup because I'm running these nodes one at a time. When you are running it in a production environment, you just run the entire setup on a go. The next node we're gonna use is called get final video. We are going to collect the video from Fal AI for our final output. So let's click on this node and understand what's happening inside. The node is again a HTTPS request node. What exactly we are using is a method called get, and there is a URL which we are passing to Fal AI with our request ID. Let's run this node. Yes, we got our final video here. So now our video is back in NA10. So the next node we are using is called update row in sheets. So we are going to use our Google Sheet credentials, and then we are saying, hey, I want you to use this video ID, change the status to done, and then we are passing the final video URL. So let's execute this. So yes, it's done. Now the moment of truth. So see, you got your video here. So let's watch the video. Click on this video.
Yeah, I can't shower anymore. Patrick keeps staring. Don't worry, he's seen worse in Bikini Bottom. Pop shower drama. Wait, are you seriously inside that doghouse right now?
Minimal space, maximum peace of mind.
Or maybe she's dodging rent again. Baby's been scanning the aisles for the perfect straight line. We're here for bread. I heard adventure.
They're looking quite cool, right?
Yeah.
So that's the end of our setup. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe.
And comment if you want the file.
Thank you so much.